let's make some instant lobster ramen. All right, y'all. Ellen Park, Melon Park, Ellen Park. If you don't know her, she makes a lot of videos from TikTok and YouTube and Instagram, I believe. And she always makes videos with her grandma, her Harmony. I think that's how you pronounce Harmony. Anyway, love her videos, very entertaining. She makes instant lobster ramen, looks so good. I just had to make some. And I don't have any green onion kimchi, but I do have some regular kimchi. Disclaimer, I'm typically not a fan of like seafood soup, even instant ramen noodle. I didn't add any other seasoning to this besides the soup base. Let's give it the broth a try. Okay, that's actually tasty. That's good. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, it's hot. I love the texture of the noodles. Some bok choy. Kimchi. That's really good. Go get yourself some instant lobster ramen. I would give it like an 8.5 out of 9, 8.5 out of 10, or 9 out of 10. Delicious.